You are at the hospital. Administration is right here.
I'm going
Get
to
in
the
there.
emergency room, sir.
Get in there.
Where-
Get out of my car now.
Where is my
Get out of
destination?
my car now.
I don't know where I am. I'm asking you where is my destination. If you will kindly point at where I am
Pulled
supposed
into
to
your
go.
destination. It said here I was at your destination. It's over. Get out of my car now.
It said
Get
1760.
out of my car now.
Sir, it said...
Get out of my car now!
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't fucking get out of my car!
But you're not to yell at me. You are not to yell at
9,
me.
1.
Do it. Do it. Do it. You are facing
Get out
very...
right fucking now!
You are facing...
Get out of my car! I'm facing a fucking moron! Get out! No!
You're facing the...
No!
You have no right to scream at me.
I will fucking talk to you any goddamn way I want.
Really?
Yes, I fucking will. And I have the right.
Where am I?
You're at a hospital. Where
Where-
you need to be. Get out of my car.
Oh.
Can you get her out of my car, please?